Using a new faceless strategy on YouTube clips, you can start making up to $2,500 per day immediately. In this video, I'll show you how to make YouTube videos without ever having to use your voice or face in them or create any of the videos yourself. Even if you don't monetize your channel on YouTube, you can still make tens of thousands of dollars per month using this method, which is something that a very few people are aware of. I'll teach you everything you need to know about this method so that you can get started and start making some serious cash. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a new video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. We are all aware of how popular YouTube Shorts are, with many of them receiving millions of views today. I want to share with you a brand new tactic that people are using to advertise or promote a wide range of different offerings on their YouTube channels, and you can start doing this as well without showing your face using cashflowchannels.com. You can search the channels Money Tips, Fight Incorporated, or MTB Bible on YouTube to see that they have hundreds of thousands to millions of subscribers and views. But when you click on the community section, you will see that these channels also post on YouTube to further their engagement with their audience. This could be done through the use of fun fact posts, polls, or question and answer type posts, because this is how these channels increase engagement with their audience. You can do this even when you're new to YouTube and don't have many subscribers. You don't even need a monetized account for this. Also, keep in mind that YouTube Shorts are becoming more popular and engaging than typical long-form videos on YouTube, making them a great option for you right now. The first step is to choose your area of interest or niche. It could be anything from cooking to health and fitness to pets. If you selected the cooking niche, utilize TikTok and Instagram to search for videos just about cooking. Repeat this process for any other niche, such as health and fitness, pets, or any other. Once you've selected a video, copy the URL and go to sssstick.io, which basically removes any TikTok watermark. Enter the URL into this website and download the watermark free video into your computer, and now you have your video content. However, there are still two more crucial steps that you must complete after watching this video. If you follow these steps exactly after watching this video, you can already start this strategy and start making big money. What makes YouTube Shorts superior to long videos is that you may still use them without having to make thumbnails for them. The best method to have your video seen by as many people as possible is to use VidIQ to find out what people are searching for and then combine those terms into the title and description of your video. VidIQ is a resource for learning about the expansion of online video content, including tutorials and channel series. Free Google Chrome extension that lets users analyze YouTube Analytics data. Useful for determining whether or not given a channel is growing, as well as for copying successful tagging strategies from other channels to implement in your own. You can use the most popular search terms and incorporate them into your title or description. And you can put your promotional link to a website or other channel, or your affiliate link to products on the description section. You can get your products to promote on ClickBank and Affiliate Market Network, which have thousands of products you can promote depending on a niche you choose. And you can find just about any products on their marketplace. You can find a variety of products. Some even give you more than $100 commission for each purchase. So make sure that you promote the highest paying one so that you can earn the most money. It's fairly simple once you choose a product to promote. Just click on Promote and click on Generate Hub Link. The link provided to you is now your affiliate link that you can paste into your description. Once people click on that link and purchase the products, you will earn commissions out of it. So, what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please click the like button below. If you're interested in learning more about how to earn money online, feel free to watch our other videos. Since I post new videos every day, you should subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new one is available. As always, I appreciate your time and I hope to see you in our future videos.